Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to have a look on Nokia N9, and in the past, I have made a video about Nokia N9, and this is actually one of the legendary phone you can say. So, and this is one of a kind and very unique phone, and luckily I have two of them. So this is the design and everything is actually really good, and this device is from 2011, and one of the things is that every Nokia user or whoever collecting devices, they should have this device actually in their collection. So for my collection, I have two of them right now. So this device actually was really fast. So it was released in 2011, but the specs and other things were really good for the time. But as I said, it is one of a kind because this is one of the unique device which is running on Meego operating system, and there is no another device. That's why the app and everything is the community and everything is very small. So there is not really much support for this device, but still there are some community which are providing some support. Maybe you can follow I will put a link of the group from Telegram. They help to install apps and other things. And I have installed few of them here. So as you can see here, I have two of them, and the icon packs are different on both of them, and I'm running a selfish OS theme on this one, which looks very nice, and it is not really changing the icon, it directly changed whole theme. And let me show you. So it will change everything, like as you can see, notification panel, even the app, and inside the app everything will be changed. So if I click on music, as you can see, everything has changed. The original is also really nice. The icons are really looks good here. As you can see, this look like they're like 3D kind of feeling. And this is a complete gesture based phone. So you have to swipe left, right, and which is look like basically like iPhone and other device which got it like in few past years. But this device actually got it from 2011. It is not only the device which got gesture-based things. There were Bada OS and other things which has same kind of thing. But this was really popular at that time. This device made it popular mostly, I will say. So spec-wise, this device actually has really good spec for the time. And for the dimension, as you can see here, we have 8 megapixel autofocus camera with Carl Zeiss lens, and we have a flash here, and this is full unibody device. That means the plastic is all around here, and it look and feel very comfortable actually. And it's not really big device, as you can see in my hand, although I have a very big hand, but as you can see in my hand, it's not really big that much. And also we have like an AMOLED panel here, our volume and power button and other things. We have our 3.5mm headphone jack, and behind the door we have micro USB cable for charging and data connection. And also if you want to see want to put your SIM card, you have to open this flap. So you cannot put any SD card in this device, and this device came with 16 gig of storage, or you can buy a 64 gig one. So 16 gig is really respectable for this device, and mostly I have both of them at 16 gig device. I did not got 164 gig, although I'm looking for one which is 64 gig, but it is really hard to find. But in AliExpress, I have seen that the device are selling nowadays, and there are actually a lot of things you can get it from AliExpress nowadays. But I don't know the quality and other things, because they change many things, or they do like other stuffs and changing the things, and they change the display and swap the things there. So this device actually shipped with 1450 mAh battery, which is built-in battery. So no changeable battery here like today's device, although it is from 2011. So you cannot change the battery. It is actually very difficult to change battery in this device, because you have to take out the display first, and also you have to take out a bunch of screws to go inside and take out the battery. But the battery is 1450 mAh, and for this OS actually it lasts very long. Like in my usage, although I'm not using that much, because as I said, the support is not there for these devices, but still I have been using like for listening to the music, and there are few apps we have been playing. So it was like 3 to 4 hours screen on time. And another things is that if you want to install like Facebook and other things, it is not possible there, but there are JTube available for this device, although I could not able to put that thing here, put that app here for some sort of issues. So this device is actually Linux based, so you can use terminal. Although to use terminal, you have to turn on the developer mode from inside, and it is not really easy to turn on developer mode and download the software to access the terminal, because the server is long gone. So you have to install one more thing, like to access the terminal or to unlock the developer mode. There are a few things. As I said, I will put a link, Telegram group link in the description, so that if you have this device and if you want to make use of this device, you can go through that group, and also you can ask there. Also, I am there actually. I will, if I can help, I will help. But mostly, I have not much knowledge about this OS. So let's go through the OS first, as I have talked a lot about the physical things and other things. So there are actually, whenever you turn on the device, it will turn on directly to this home screen. There is nothing else. So we are in the home screen. If you swipe left, all the apps we are running all are here, as you can see. And these apps actually are alive. If you are playing video, this video will be played in here actually too. Man, you can also like pinch this one to make it smaller. So you can see now we have 6 of them. And if you want to make it a bit bigger, then you can go about 2 to 2. And this is so that much you can do here. And the notification panel, let me show you from both of them. So you can turn volume like on off from here. Actually, it works on everywhere. So if you are playing music, you can do it from here. There is another things like shortcut. You have shortcut for the internet and Bluetooth. So both of them here. And if you swipe left, we have our notification panel. So all the notification, whatever is the app, like if you're installing any software or if you get any message or anything, all will be here. So that's all about this. And if you go to like the home screen, there is not much app available, and you cannot uninstall any apps which is pre-built here. And like you can really access Facebook from the browser, and also you can install Opera Mini. As I said, it's a bit tough, but still you can like install, and you can do many things here. And let me go to our setting. So this is a setting which is in dark mode. You cannot do like, there is no light mode here. Most of the apps actually in dark mode, but it works just fine actually. This device is really smooth for what is coming from the year. Actually it's from 2011, but it works so well. So, and if you actually swipe from here, from the bottom, there are some few shortcuts. So if you are in some apps, like we are in video, so I don't have any kind of video. So if I swipe from here, so as you can see, we have some shortcut. So here we can see the shortcut, and there are some third-party apps to like changing this shortcut also. And here you can see like some videos. Actually, it comes with the device, so that you can have click the AMOLED panel. So you can see here the video is playing, and it looks very nice actually. The AMOLED panel is really good, although it is from 2011, but I did not see any kind of burn-in issue on this displays. But these are actually really good displays, as you can see here. I don't know why there is no sound, maybe. Actually, this device also supports Dolby Atmos, and also it has like dual band Wi-Fi. And the sound is there, but it's really tiny. Let's try to increase the volume. Okay. Now if I go here, the videos, so I can play it from here. Actually, it looks very nice here, and the speaker is bottom here, so wherever you keep it, there will be no issue with the sound. And we also have a tiny front camera here, down here, which is look like in the Mi Mix or Mi Mix 2, Mi Mix 3, they all have similar type of camera down here. So this one also has, and you can't access the front camera directly from the camera app. You need a third-party application to do that, but I don't have that one too. but the camera is really good here. So it can record 720p video, and as it is a 8 megapixel camera, as you can see here the viewfinder, and you can like tap to focus and just click the photo. It is not really bad camera. It is quite good camera for the age. So as you can see, can go around and see everything. So it's not really bad camera, but only one thing which actually keeping this device to not making usable is that the application gap. At least they have like latest kind of Facebook apps or WhatsApp app, but there is nothing available for this device. But it is really good to have one of these device if you are a collector or if you are a enthusiast. I think you should have one of these devices because it's just one of a kind, and I really like this device. So that's it all about Nokia N9. I hope you have like memories with this device. If you have, you can comment down below and share the memories. So that's it all about Nokia N9. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.